told me off and leave me all alone now. I know you think I'm buzzing. Let's keep that part of the discussion. It's just a couple nights without you by my side. It's got me sipping, trying to stop missing your loving. You're the reason I wake up in the morning. Can't deny